If you are with a friend and you have 10 minutes, let me show you how you can make a quick Connect 4 game in Gemini to pass the time. So first, open up the Gemini app on your computer. Go to gemini.google.com. You'll get to this screen and choose your model. So come right here and click. I will keep it on thinking with 3 Pro. Fast would probably work, but I'll keep it on thinking. Come over to Tools and click on Canvas. The next step would be to put in your prompt. I already did this, so I'm not going to put the prompt in again, but just set it up like that, and then you'll put in the prompt. And let me close that for a second. And the prompt that I put in is right here, and it was just create a 2-player Connect 4 game. It shows you all the thinking that it does and what it's actually doing in the background, if you care. And then it took about a minute, and it generated this code. Again, if you care, if you don't know how to code or don't care about code, then ignore this completely. And then here's your game. And if you've never played Connect 4, it's actually pretty simple. Your whole goal is to get 4 of whichever color you are in either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. And it says down here, actually, the instructions are right in the bottom. Tap any column to drop a disc. Connect 4 discs horizontally, vertically, or diagonally to win. And you just assign colors, so you have 2 people. So I think this uses red and yellow. And then red goes first, so you hover over whichever column you want to drop one in. So we'll go here, and then it's yellow's turn. Let's say yellow wants to go here, and then... So now you just go until the whole goal is to get 4 in a row. Let's just let somebody win, and then you win. Play once, play again, play as many times as you want. But I mean, that took, I don't know, maybe a minute from when I opened Gemini to when I could actually play the game within Gemini. Like this, I'm not outside of Gemini. This is still within the Gemini app. And I can still, if I just go to new chat, this is where we started. And where are we? Like this is all self-contained within Gemini. So again, if you have a friend and you have a couple minutes to spare, create a quick game, Connect 4, and have some fun. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So enjoy. See you next time.